Hi friends, just wanted to pop by and show you a quick card to make. I am going to be using the Linnie Pink collection, absolutely gorgeous. Two of the die cuts that come with the charisma that I've already pre-cut, ready to go, absolutely gorgeous. So what I've done is I've really quickly just made an easel card, just like so, with some matte and layers. If you don't know how to make this, it's really simple. You just take your 6x6 card, fold the top half and then pop another 6x6 on top to create the easel. Next, what I'm going to do is I've taken some beautiful coloured vellum. Now don't worry about this because you're not going to see it underneath, so it really doesn't matter. And I'm going to use some 3D glue gel to adhere this into the centre panel. So I'm applying that wet glue just on the middle. Place it down onto your project, give it a little squish, not too much. Next, what I've done is I've taken this most delicious stamp from the Linnie Pink collection as well. This is her first collection that she brought to us. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to add that, and you can see already that I'm leaving it uncoloured, but I've just done a little bit of ink work around the edge using my distress inks or your rare earth inks. I'm going to add that to that centre panel. Very simple. Now this will become my base of my topper. Next, what I've got is just a routine die cut. This is a tattoo stamp as well that I've adhered onto there. It's really easy. Little bit of rare earth ink. I do believe it is the soft pink that I've used, and I'm just going to adhere that as well using 3D glue gel. I'm going to place it a little bit off to the side. You can see there. Very easy. Next, I'm going to take this beautiful girl. Look how stunning she is. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, just using that 3D glue gel, all available at Create and Craft or Crafting or the Tattoo's website. And I'm just going to place that slightly to the side. Next, what I'm going to do is on the bottom piece that I've already done my mats and layers. So it's a white base card, pink, white, then pink again. Again, I'm going to use that beautiful printed vellum. Just adhere it in the centre and add it to pick that up. Now the next bit I'm going to do is my stopper. Super simple. So what I've got here is I've got a piece of pink cardstock and a piece of white cardstock on top. So what I'm going to do first of all is apply the pink cardstock using my 3D glue gel again across that middle banner. Super simple. Then what I'm going to do is I've also adhered, look how darling she is. I'm going to add her as well just underneath my white piece that I'm going to place on top. So she will actually stick just there. But I'm going to use foam tape this time to adhere her to keep her locked into position. So I'm just going to add that to that position like so. And I'm just going to place that underneath my white piece of cardstock that's going to be the next layer that goes onto the project. So now using that 3D foam again across that whole panel to go as my stopper, lifting that up, but what I've done is I've created a hinge on her there so you can see. Super easy. So now I'm just going to add that to the front of my project. Just adhere it into the centre and then push that back. So that becomes my stopper now. I'm also going to add on a tiny little bit of foam, and I've actually already cut two of her face just to decoupage it and layer it up slightly. So there we go. There's my card ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll bring you a bit closer so you can see a bit better. There we go. Really super quick and simple, but beautiful. So look forward to the next Linnie collection. It will be available hopefully soon, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.